Understanding why your product will work or will not work, or what consumers think of your product, is super important. And PickFu has tons of ways for you to test audiences on what they think of your product. The one we're going to talk about today is open-ended polls. There's a lot of power that you can do in open-ended polls with not just images, but also video and also even hyperlinks. So let's jump into this and take a little deep dive as to how to work open-ended polls with PickFu. All right, guys, as you can see here, we are in the poll builder in PickFu on our platform. Now, you'll see you get hit with a couple different options. So your question, your options, and the poll type. Now, you'll see that today in this video, we're focusing on open-ended polls. In other videos, we'll talk about the rest, but today it's open-ended polls. So how would you test an open-ended poll, or rather, why would you test it? And there's a couple different use cases, so let's take a look. First thing is you want to put in your question. Now, we're going to give some prompts over here if you were shopping on Amazon. Which product would you rather buy? Now, with an open-ended poll, you have to give a little bit more context to it of what they're looking at. So with an open-ended poll, let's stay away from the question for a second and let's look at the use case. So you're going to go down here and you're going to click Add Option. Now you'll notice if you click Add a second option, you cannot do an open-ended poll. So we're going to X this out over here. Open-ended polls are only with one option because they're getting feedback on what you're displaying to them. You'll see in the option box here we have text, URLs, or uploads. Text, you could say, frogs are the best animal in the world. So I can go over there and I can say, what do you think of this opinion? So now I have a poll that I probably won't run. That's, what do you think of this opinion? Frogs are the best animal in the world. It's open-ended, right? So that's one way that you're able to use it based on just text. Now, another way that you could use it is put in your Amazon product link or any link to a website and ask that. So let's say we want to do johnisawesome.com. Now, what do you think of this website? So that's, and you're going to get a prompt there. You don't want people asking to sign up for an account or make a purchase. Don't do any of that kind of stuff. But what do you think of this website? That's a very generalized kind of question. You want to think, if you landed on this website, do you know everything you need to know? And then they're going to your website and they're going to give you their feedback in an open-ended poll. It's just text answers. There's no rating. There's no choices, anything like that. Now let's turn this up a notch and we're going to say Amazon.com/DP for detailed product page, and then whatever your ASIN is if you're selling on Amazon. So now you're able to say, when shopping on Amazon, would you buy this product? Would you buy this product? Now they're going to go and they're going to get the prompt to go to your Amazon page, whether it's your Amazon page, whether it's your competitor's Amazon page. So think of it in twofold. If it's yours, you really want to know how to make your page better. If it's your competitors, well, what do people like about your competitor's page? And how can you use that data? Let's say we want to upload media. So let's say we want to upload an image of my product. When shopping on Amazon, would you buy this product? Or when shopping on Amazon, would you click on this image to buy, and whatever it is that you're looking to offer, to buy this? I think it's an ice mold, right? And then I'll say yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Now, don't think of it as just that. Think of it as any other media that you want to get opinions on. Think of advertising. So if I go here, now what I can do is I can take a look at my advertising assets. So now I've uploaded an advertising asset from a top banner from a brand ad, and I could say, when shopping on Amazon, if this ad came up, would you click yes or no? Or would you click, and if not, why? And then they're going to give you feedback of if they're going to click on that ad. So you can also do this. It gets really good, guys. So let's say here I have a video of a YouTube short from our podcast over here at PickFu, and I want to get some opinions on my video. So again, you want to make sure your sentence has that context to it. And then the video is going to load. And now panelists are going to get prompted with watching your video and answering any questions that you have. Coming down here to audience, it goes from 15 to 500. I always tell people stay within the 15 to 50 kind of mark, right? Most popular is 50. Everyday testing is like 15. But when you're first getting started with PickFu, stay at 15, between 15 and 30 to really get the feel for how everything works. And we also have respondent country. Most folks watching this, you're going to have US. But if you're targeting people in Japan or targeting people in Germany, you want to know what those respondents are thinking. But for this example, we're going to stay in the US. Random audience is broad. Random audience is broad for everybody. But target audience, we have 90 plus traits, guys. So come down here. I want to target Amazon Prime members. If it was a pet owner for a dog product, I can target that. If it's, someone that's an older person, 65 plus. If it's a kid's product, I could say, 0 to 3 year old kids. There's so many. You could even search here as well. So sometimes I'll type supplement if I'm doing something for a client for supplements, and supplement use. No, yes some days, yes every day. Or if it's a specific type of supplement, gender, men or women, you get all this kind of good stuff. So you pick your demographic. You're coming down here. Right now I have this one. Right now I have this one for Amazon Prime member, and you're going to get these automatically. When the respondents answer, you're going to know what their gender is, what their age is, all that kind of good stuff. You come down here to review your poll. You're going to see what everything looks like over here. Also note down here, add your poll to the PickFu's online gallery to save $5. So if you want to save some money and you don't care that it's public, click that. You're going to see your total down here, but little fun fact, click these 3 dots right here, hit preview poll, and you're going to see what the panelists are going to see when they submit the poll. It's always good to do this to make sure it looks how you want it to. If this ad came up, would you click? And click right here. And they're going to watch the video, and they're going to give all of their feedback over here, give a thoughtful answer. And that's it. You guys are all set. So that's it, guys. It's very, very simple to use PickFu. Open-ended polls are super, super powerful. There's many different medias that you can put inside of it. If you have any further questions about how to do certain polls or anything like that, our team is there to take care of you. Head on over to pickfu.com, and we'll be happy to help. See you guys in the next video.